Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Ryusei. Today I'll share the recipe of pork tsukune. I introduced the chicken tsukune before, but the pork version is also delicious. I improved the patty and the sauce recipe. I hope you enjoy juicy and tasty pork tsukune at your home. Yes, let's make it.
This is Japanese leek naganegi, which is grown in Chiba Prefecture. Today I use 50 grams. This is a Japanese mukimono knife. It's light and sharp, so I often use it. Let's mince naganegi. I make fine cuts diagonally. The tip is to move the knife same angle and rhythm. Okay, turn it over. Then make cuts in the same way. I often do this cutting way. It's very efficient to miss the white part of the leek. Nice, and chop it. Good. Next, green part. I cut it vertically and chop it. Good, I miss it. Next, ginger shoga. It's grown in Ibaraki Prefecture. I use 5 grams. The skin of Japanese ginger is thin and the skin has nutrients, so I grate it with the skin. Beautiful. Ginger gives freshness to tsukune. Let's make the patties. This is a recipe. This is 400 grams of ground pork. I add a pinch of salt and sugar. Salt makes the patties sticky, sugar keeps the moisture of the meat and makes tsukune juicy. Okay. Then sake and soy sauce. Distribute the seasonings to the patties. I add ingredients in several batches to prevent the patties from separation. I add a neck and mix them. Finally, ginger and Japanese leek. These patties are very simple, but it's delicious. Good. I keep it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to blend the flavors. Meanwhile, I'll make the sauce. You can see the recipe in the description too. I add mirin and sake to the pan and heat it for about 2 minutes to remove the alcohol. Brown sugar. I stir it to melt the sugar. Once the sugar melts, I add soy sauce and garlic. Heat the sauce over low heat to thicken the sauce. I've reduced the sauce for 3 minutes. The sauce becomes rich and the smell is amazing. Turn off the heat. The sauce is done. 1 hour later, let's divide the patties into portions. I put the oil to my hands to prevent the patties from sticking. Okay, take a small portion of the patties and slap it to remove the air. This makes the texture of the patties consistency and helps to make the surface smooth. I shape the patties into a cylinder. The shapes are both good, balls and cylinders, but I'm sure cylinder shape is juicier and we can enjoy the meat flavor well. Good. I got 12 portions.
Please give a moment. My goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. You can know a lot of Japanese food recipes and culture. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Next, let's grill pork tsukune.
I add the vegetable oil and spread it entirely. I place the patties to the pan. If the patties are cooked, they bulge, so please place them separate. I grill them over medium heat for 90 seconds. Then I add 20 grams of water and cover it with a lid spoon. Then steam them. Steaming makes tsukune juicy and moist. I steam them for 2 minutes over medium-high heat. Meanwhile, move the pan to spread the water. Two minutes later, I open the lid and turn them over to brown both sides. Browning the surface is important to coat the sauce beautifully. If they are overcooked, the texture becomes tough. So it's quite important to cook and brown them for about 7 to 8 minutes. I check it by touch. If it's springy, it's perfect. I turn off the heat and remove them once. Lovely. Clean the pan to make the finish beautiful. Okay, I reheat the pan. Then put a half of the sauce and return tsukune. The sauce is already sticky, so the sauce coats them quickly. I pour the sauce over them. The most important tip of making delicious tsukune is to heat tsukune accurate time. The time varies depending on the size of tsukune and the level of the heat. Please find your best size and time. Okay, looks delicious. Turn off the heat. Perfect. I put the squirts to tsukune like yakitori. Good. Of course, the squirrel is not necessary. Okay, pork tsukune is done. It's good with the rice and beer. Let's eat it. The texture is chewy and the taste is rich and delicious.
Thank you. Did you enjoy? Today I shared the recipe of pork tsukune. The tip is to cook the patties accurate time. I hope you enjoy delicious pork tsukune at your home. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.